Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture, we have learned about magic resize, and today we are going to learn about export option in Canva. Exporting is the final step of your designing process. In this lecture, I will show you how to download your design in right format and quality for different purposes. So let's check it. Now, I will tell you one thing. Today is the last lecture of Module 3. From tomorrow, we are going to start Module number 4. And we are in Canva Pro. 2 lectures, last two, when this one and last lecture was of Canva Pro. And if you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. Do your lecture practice in Canva free. Okay? So, learning objective: by the end of this lecture, you will learn how to download your Canva design, choose a right format, adjust downloading settings, export design for different platforms. Firstly, open your design. Click on Canva and open your design. Okay, so select your design. So I will select this design. This design is created by my little brother, not me. Okay. Now, click on share. Okay. Now download. Click on download. Now you will see different file formats: PDF best for document, digital sharing, and simple file. Okay. This is now PDF print. PDF standard and PDF print. There are 2 types. Okay. Digital or print. PDF print is best for flyers, posters, business card, professional painting. Okay. Now, PNG. PNG is best for social media graphics, transparent backgrounds, high quality image like my. So let it download my design. My design is downloading. I will tell you next 4 months. Next is JPG. Best for small files, regular social media images. Okay. You can select the quality: high, low, medium, limited size. Okay. Even our gesture size also. Now, next one is MP4 video. This format is best for videos, reels, presentation, animation designs. Okay. You can select the quality 4K. I think in free Canva it is 270. And Pro it is unlimited. Now next is DAF. DAF GIF, best for short animation, simple motion graphics. Okay. Downloading separate. Before downloading, check file type. File type, quality. In someday it will show you quality and size. Okay. Transparent background if it is available. If it is available, click OK. And remember, if it is available. And select the pages. My pages is already selected because it is 1 page. Okay. Then click download. Okay. Real examples. If you're creating your Instagram post, PNG or JPG is usually suitable. For YouTube videos, choose MP4. For print or flyers, choose PDF. Explain to students their best format depend upon where, how design will be used. Okay. For students, you will use, like if you are a teacher and you have to make a worksheet for a student, so you will choose best format according to your design. Common mistakes are, there are 5 common mistakes. Number 1 is choosing the wrong file format. Number 2 is downloading low quality files. Number 3 is forgetting to select required pages. Number 4 is using JPG with transparent rency if it is needed, not checking the final. Number 5 is not checking the final export. So, here my designs are saved to my computer, and now here are some pro tips and that I will tell you. Always check your design before exporting, like we have checked. Choose the format according to the purpose of your design. If you are printing something, use PDF. For social media, image, PNG and JPG is usually a good choice. For videos, use MP4. Okay. Before we have finished this lecture, I also want to remind you about your Canva Masterclass's free certificate. If you want to receive your certificate completely free, make sure you complete all 60 lectures and their parties. Vertical task for every lecture: like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share your practice work on Instagram message or Instagram stories or in Instagram post. You can choose one and send me. Don't forget to tag @zha.z.ha.wipe so I can see and re-show your work. Once you successfully complete all 60 lectures and practical tasks, you will be enabled for the free certificate of Canva. So, today's practice is how create one design or use your old design and download in PNG, JPG and PDF. Compare the file quality and size. You have to use 3 formats. Okay, make 3 pages on of your Canva design like this, okay, and download in PDF. JPG, you download image in JPG and download PNG. Download. Today we have learned about Canva export and choose how to write best format for purpose. Okay. This it is the lecture 25 export option. Congratulations, you have completed modules 3 advanced editing. Make sure you have completed today's task and keep sharing your work. In next module, we are going to explore one of the most excited Canva feature, that is Canva AI tools. We'll start 26 lecture AI, Introduction to AI Tools. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Keep practicing and I will see you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Happy listening. Bye-bye.